Hey guys, today we're gonna play Build a Boat again with my friend Fireball. Oh yeah guys. Make my friend already pro and me still newbie. I don't know. I just got troll. Oh, he trolling me again. My friend like a troll. I'm so angry. Why he troll? Um, I played this game so very not too long, not long. But my friend he played this so long, so he pro, very pro. But guys, he trolled me. He like to troll. Hey, bro, don't. Okay, guys. I'm gonna speed it, okay guys? I'm gonna 3 to 1 speed. Oh, I'm run a little bit faster. Oh, troller. Hey, troller, come here. My friend is not Fireball again. My friend is troller. Hey. I love troll. What I love troll? Oh yeah guys. I'm gonna put some fireworks here. Hmm. Easy peasy. Here. So, hey, wait for me. Hey, wait. Hey. Help me, okay guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out and bye bye.